running must be cold like a ice. Never mind, that's how you go. Change our plan, change our story, change our program. And so we must go right through and then we break the food. Like when we get to the food, it freeze. Never mind. But we are with you. He's 36 years old, born and raised in Jamaica, with a registered name Lascelles Purnell.
Yes.
He's an actor, writer, director, producer, and singer. He gave you Fine and You Wire 1 and 2. He gave you Atta Claps. He gave you early years of maternity. And if I hear a she. He gave you Story Come to Bob. He gave you Bashment Wedding. He gave you Girlie Goes to School. And coming October 14th to the Bronx True and High School is Girlie Get Visa. On 3 occasions, he had this room in an uproar. And we still cannot get enough of it. Help me bring to the stage people. Clap like we never clapped before. The one and only legendary.
Everyone notice how my dress this time, right? My dress good, right? But you know why my dress like this? Why are eardress always at the ask the next person who did it here? I'm in love me now, come on your shop. I'm here, don't hear you in the middle. Are you my ear? This is for me. I'm in love every little while in and drop out. But the reason why I'm dressed like this, you know, I know say someone will never run me on that tonight, but I don't business. I am a bold person. Girlie is bold and bright. I am the only person who ever put on my dress and go jamboree with 20,000 people. I run on the stage and smile the beat them and I say, oh, that Mr. Me Girlie. Like say me afraid of them, I'm not afraid of nobody, cause what? Me say me back from the bar. If you don't like it, but the reason why I'm dressed like this is just because if you never know, I push up and I see. I don't know how long Girlie have got embassy. From 1990, ever since PMP election. Girlie is going to the embassy and every year they turn down Girlie. And as soon as Labour right win, Girlie get visa. And then what the woman gonna do now want to make you wrong? No, you know sometimes if somebody said they owe $500, if I leave it. Because if you change the pampers with one minus it might go down to 350. Portia have no sense. Before she left it at this age, she demands recount. No, next she make the PMP them still a member of parliament, right? She go recount and shred them drop out and they just hire girl. So we have to dress decent and nice so we can represent Jamaican people, right? Yeah? If you can see my toe and this and stuck in a yellow fine. You know some people like them and then people rude to them. Why women always have something to say about other women? And sometimes the other women they look better than them, you know. Me love if you don't have numbers, don't talk about somebody else. swag in the bang and the back might drop out. Me see you now. I know why you are because you know so the pin them to the deal. Oh my, when I down myself, right? Well, you know, say, it's not the cheapest, so I can't get me $10. But come next week at $35 with a business, when I give nobody no ticket. And my love, don't ask me for no complimentary ticket. Me give you one DVD already. How about this? You know, so the people in the rock can look for that. You know, so I have one white friend in the crowd. How about she? Let me not talk to no black people. You're going to get visa now up to your white people. Yes, there one white person at the audience, her name is Missy. Hi, Missy, come here, my love. Come here, Missy, come here. See how me love, you know, come here, Missy, come on. Nobody don't say nothing to Girlie. Girlie look good, so good, I think I've looked good for it. Come, Missy, watch your sexiness. Come on, walk. Hi, Missy. I'm a white man. I'm an MC. You know, so she's not white. She's black. She is black in a yasa. You know, so the first time when me miss girl over the phone, me meet her, and me and she get out. One piece of conversation, me hear her on the radio announce, and then she mix up, you know Wendy Williams? Yeah. She works at the women. Oh, make this a white girl that know nothing about you. She that, and she comes to see, if you see she do the dirty one. I love, no, me love, go ahead. Nobody like, look now, our husband over there, so nobody now want you. If I me like you, miss, make it up right from the side. That